Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about exponential equations, and we'll just start off with this. Okay, and they just want us to solve for x. Okay, so the way they want us to do it, they want us to write it so both sides kind of look similar, and then we use the exponents and make a new equation. So 16 can be written as 2 to the 4. And since both these bases are the same, we can just set the exponents equal to each other, and so x equals 4. Over here, 27, we would want to write that as 3 to the 3. And since that's on the bottom of a fraction, we can bring it up top. And when we do that, it makes it negative. Now, since the bases are the same, we can set the exponents equal to each other. And when we do that, we see that x is equal to 5. Okay, now we have 4 to the x equals 8. We have 9 to the x minus 2 equals 1/3. Okay, we're going to keep approaching these in a similar fashion. Now 4 and 8, we would have to write them as something like 2 raised to a power. So 4 can be written as 2 squared, 8 can be written as 2 cubed, and now we can set the exponents equal to each other, and x is equal to 3/2. Okay, 9 we're going to write as 3 squared, and 1/3 we're going to write as 3 to the negative 1. We can set these equal to each other. Divide both sides by 2. Add 2. So 2 minus that would be 3/2. Alright, I think we have one more. Alright. So if you watched the previous video, this method is going to look pretty similar to one of the problems on there. So what we're going to do, we want these to have the same base, so we're going to write 4 like this, and we can swap those, so we can think of it as 2 to the x squared plus 2 to the x minus 20 equals 0. I'm going to say u is equal to 2 to the x, u squared plus u minus 20 is equal to 0. And now we can factorize. We want to make a 1 right here, so we're going to say 5 minus 4. So u plus 5, u minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to replace the u's with 2 to the x. And now I can set both of those equal to 0. Subtract 5, subtract 5. And actually, I can't remember if they wanted us to solve it or not. Okay. Now, 2 to the x equals negative 5. And since this can't be negative, we're going to reject this answer. And we're going to add 4. 2 to the x equals 4. 4 can be written as 2 squared. Set the exponents equal to each other, and so x is equal to 2. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.